if we're talking about 3D printing, it has many different areas, industrial, consumer, and one area that I have worked on is 3D printing food. It's the first time that a chef can send its recipe to millions of printers to your home, basically, as how musicians can distribute their music. Today, we can't do that. We have to go to the chef and eat at that restaurant. In the future, all the kitchen appliances are Internet of Things, so that we are all connected. Designer can upload their models, chef can upload their recipe, children can color it however they want, and then you can print them out. And then you mix them with the organic food you have maybe in your gardens, on your windshield, little vegetable here, little fresh fruit here, or your herbs garden, you pick something, you put it together, you have your food.